today we are going to do a move in with me vlog, or move in with me, or apartment tour vlog and everything. So we're just going to be moving everything out. Everything's already packed. I gotta put a couple of stuff in my car because we're about to do that now, and I gotta get the U-Haul truck at 9. I gotta be there by 9. So someone just took a parking spot. I gotta fill my car up, so I'ma just pull my car up to the front. That way we could do whatever. Okay, I got my car in the fire zone parking spot. So I'm about to start filling up my car, moving these boxes. Hopefully don't nobody hit my car. I got about 20 minutes to pack my car up. 20. All right, y'all. This is my first time driving the U-Haul. Oh my God, I'm so scared. But you know, my house is like right across the street, so I think I should be good. Definitely. All right, y'all. I'm trying to get everything out. I don't have nowhere to pack it. All right, y'all. She's gotta drive the U-Haul to my sister's apartment. I gotta wait till 10:50 to get my keys because I gotta move in. I'm just gonna fit the rest of the stuff. I'm gonna be fitting the rest of the stuff in my car. I got more stuff than like expected. I'm about to take everything out, fit as much in my car as possible. So this is everything that's left, y'all. I gotta clean up, and I still have my closet left, so we gotta do as much as possible. Oh my God. Update, I'm about to pick up some trash. It might look the same to y'all, but it's a difference. And I got stuff in the closet, so oh my God. All right, y'all. I'm about to go to the leasing office. All my stuff is filled up, even my trunk. And y'all, we about to get our keys. Y'all. So, okay, y'all, I am finally here at my new apartment. Yes, sir. I can't show y'all, but yeah, I gotta show when I get up there. Okay, y'all, this is my new apartment. Closet. I don't really use like middle shoe closets. Like, I'm probably gonna put like coats in here or something like that. It's actually smaller than I thought. So, fireplace. My kitchen is giving. My kitchen is so giving. The laundry room. And we're gonna get everything set up. Okay, yeah. We gotta get everything set up like Spectrum and stuff like that. Okay. And then the bathroom. Excuse how I look, y'all. Excuse how I look. The bathroom is giving. Okay. And it sounds mad empty up in here. And then my room. I don't know. My room look big, but it looks small. So the closet and everything. Y'all know what a closet. It's a walk-in closet, so. bathroom, girl. I don't want to waste this power, you know? Ain't nothing plugged in. We look, we don't want to waste none of that. What is this? Is this the temperature? Yeah, it's really small. And it has a fan, so yeah. Y'all, I probably lost like 10 pounds. 10 freaking pounds from doing this. I just have my sister and her boyfriend help. It's still a couple of stuff in the car, and it's still a couple of stuff at the house. So yeah, y'all, I gotta show y'all what it looked like when they put the stuff down and everything. So right, y'all, headed back to my house. We got a lot of stuff back in the car behind the U-Haul and everything. So all right, y'all, we had a long busy day. We had dropped the U-Haul off. We was late by like 4 minutes, so we was in a rush. And then we got food, and now I'm gonna go pick up this Spectrum box from my internet, and I gotta go pick up this package from my mom's old neighborhood. That will be it, and I'll be like fixing everything up and stuff like that. Hopefully we can get like a full furnished tour like soon. So we gotta set up everything. One thing about it, I never want to move ever again. That's one thing about it, never. Right, y'all, I just got my internet, and we are headed back to my mom's spot so I could go get this package, cause yeah. All right, y'all, welcome back. So as you guys see in the previous clip, yeah, I think I was eating, but we got a couple of stuff done already. They fixed my couch, the TV, and now they are, I guess, finna go get something to eat or something like that. I got my bathroom set up. It's not fully done, but well, I do need a broom and a trash can and just like snacks and stuff like that, because I was gonna go to grocery shopping, but I don't feel like doing that right now. I'm probably gonna have to do that tomorrow or something. I don't want to show y'all everything because I'm gonna do like a furnished, a fully furnished tour and everything like that. My bathroom looks so good. I'll show you guys like in the next videos and stuff like that. So we had a really busy day. I'm pretty tired. I really don't want to do anything no more. Everybody using up my life. How do you turn this off? Also, y'all, it was a couple of issues with my apartment that I need to be able to report back to them about like a couple of things that I shouldn't have. Everybody's out my house. They're gonna come back, but everybody's out my house. So I thank the Lord that they did their thing. Look, they did their thing today. Knowing me, all of this stuff would have just been still like sitting here. I'm telling y'all now, all of this stuff would have still been sitting here. Another thing that I kind of want to announce is, you know, today earlier, like I left the house with no regrets. I felt like I got discredited a lot. Not only that, but like just, I don't know, I wouldn't say toxic, but at the same time I would, because it's just like everything that I do, you know, I want to get appreciated for. I wanted to be, yeah, I just want to get appreciated for it, but it turns out that I never did. Like nobody ever realized, or nobody really cares about that. So yeah, I did leave without even telling like my parents and stuff like that. So you know, I feel like it is what it is. And now that like I'm in my own space and I could do whatever, I could clean whatever. I don't even really think it's gonna even get dirty in here. So yeah, y'all, the rest of the night I gotta finish everything up. Tomorrow I'm supposed to be working, but I mean, I probably just most likely gonna call out because I'm so tired, my legs hurt. And oh, I was finna say, you know, the whole year I'm about to grind my hardest. Like, I have to grind my hardest now that like I got everything, like my own place and everything. I have to go hard. I have to go hard. You know, I can't take no L's, bro. I can't take no L's. I can't take no L's for the rest of the year. So, and then we're gonna be here for a long time. Well, I'm gonna be here for a long time. And so hopefully, like, you know, I'm gonna be uploading like just more content and everything, because now that like I'm in like my own space and everything, I feel like I could do whatever. I could decorate whatever. You know, we're gonna get to it. We're gonna get straight to it. I do need to figure out where I'm gonna get like this, you know, somewhere to watch TV, because I don't want to sit here and be bored. New beginning, new vibes, new everything. So, you know, I just want to thank God for everything and all the obstacles that got me here. Even though like my parents don't think like I'm a hard worker, I'm extreme hard worker. And you know, ever since I was in the working business, which was 16, like I always worked for everything. Always. I always paid for everything on my own, everything. So the least that they can do is give me credit for that. Is that I don't be asking like a lot of stuff. I don't. Because I hate asking. The moment that you ask, they have an attitude, and I ain't got time. So that's why you gotta, you know, get it on your own. And I want to lay down so bad. And my couch, literally my couch is the hardest couch ever. Anyways, thank you everybody for watching in. I know it's short and I didn't get a lot, but we had to do a lot. So thank you everybody for watching, and tune into my next video, y'all.